Hello guys, welcome back to another series of Bugzilla tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about email integration. So, Bugzilla has got a very powerful feature of email integration along with scheduled email status reports. So as of now, we are covering email integration, and then later in upcoming videos, we'll talk about scheduled jobs, which will give you an automated report basis the scheduling that you schedule at a particular time. You will be receiving a status report on your email. For now, let's focus on email integration. Today we will be checking how we are configuring email in Bugzilla. That is nothing but the SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. We will see how a user can self reset the password. We'll also see by filing a bug and see which kind of alerts Bugzilla throws. We'll also see by updating a particular bug field or a bug status and how it's giving you an alert on the email. That observation we will make. And at the same time, if some users, those has to be excluded from the bug emails, that setting we'll be able to explore.
Hey guys, thank you for being with me and watching Tech Basha for Bugzilla tutorial. It takes a good amount of time to invest and make such kind of useful videos. I would request everyone to please subscribe and like the video. Share with your favorites if you really see this is going to help you or your colleague or maybe your friends. So let's go to the computer screen and start enabling SMTP and see how SMTP works in Bugzilla. I'm back to the computer screen. So to be able to do the email configurations, you need to log in with your administrator ID and then click on administration. Click on parameters. Ensure that your URL base and basic settings that we saw in our previous tutorial are set. Go to email section. In this section, you will see multiple settings. The best options available, you could see send email, SMTP, test and none. To be able to enable SMTP, click on SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Mail from should be the ID from where you're sending the emails. Then use mailer queue. I'm keeping off for now. You can try this keeping it on. Then SMTP server. Keep your SMTP server. For example, if you want to try with Gmail, give smtp.gmail.com the port number. Always use 465 port. SMTP username should be the email from where the email is going to be sent from the system. Then SMTP password. SMTP underscore SSL must be enabled, should be on. SMTP debug, keep it always off. It should be enabled when you want to do debug anything related to email. Wind days by default comes to 7 days. Leave it as it is only, no changes. Global vouchers, if you want to define any global vouchers, for example, say a particular ID or certain users, that you can mention here. So what happens is any activity happens in the system, they will always mark a CC into those emails. Simply click on save button once you're done. So this is the simple things that we have done to enable SMTP. However, there are little more settings which we need to do, but those settings has to be done to your Gmail account. I'll show you. Let's go to the Gmail account and have a look. So I've logged into my Gmail account. So what you have to do is you have to generate app passwords. To be able to do this, we'll go to our icon of the account here and click on manage your Google account, security. Inside security, you would see an option app passwords. Click on those. You see multiple options here. what we have to do is, these are the list of the password which I have generated. This is the one which I generated, I'm using inside my application, meaning Bugzilla SMTP. What you have to do is select an app here, whatever you want, select it. For this I have said other and then given a name. And once you generate it, it will give you a list and password that you can copy it and then come here and paste into your SMTP password. So this is the mandatory steps. If you try just logging with your Google account, Google is not going to respond, and every time you will get an authentication error. Always to generate the app passwords, and this is applicable for either you're using Gmail or, say for example, using outlook.com or microsoft.com. All of the email platforms, this is something you have to do. So our email settings completed. We have successfully enabled SMTP in Bugzilla. Now what we'll do is, we'll do a forget password and see if we are able to receive emails. I'm doing with my mail and saying reset password. So it says that token has been generated and been sent to your email. So let's see if we have got the email. You see, this email the system have generated, from which IP address, and to complete the changes we need to visit this and all. So here I don't want to change my password at this moment, so I'm not following it. But if you want, definitely you need to click on this link and then set a new password. Okay, so this is the way you do forget password, and this is the proof that the SMTP that we did has been successfully enabled in the system. Now we will see some functional things in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any specific requirement or something that you want to see, kindly comment so that I will be able to make videos on those.